Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Natalie Negrotti. Some of you know me from Big Brother, some of you know me from the challenge, and now I'm here in my real life. Thank you for following my journey. Today, I am 33 years old and I needed a little face refresher. I don't know what we're gonna do to my face today, but I'm here at Skin Splendid. I'm seeing Nurse Christy here in Montclair. She has an office in New York City, and this is her brand new office in Montclair. I'm gonna talk to her about, points in my face that I feel a little bit insecure about right now that I wanna tighten, see what magic she can pull. The goal is to look natural and to look like myself. I don't want to look like that fakey look, which if that's what people like, that's great. But this is not what we're doing today. I just want to revamp and refresh my face since I'm 33 and things are changing, things are falling, things are starting to droop. Anyways, come with me today to see Nurse Christy, see what we're gonna do. I don't know what we're gonna get ourselves into today. Botox or filler, I don't know. So follow my journey. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and follow me on my real life journey, life after reality TV. Let's go in there and see what Nurse Christy has to say. All right, I'm gonna start and make a little cafecito because your girl had to Uber here. I lent my car to my good friend who's taking her driver's test today. So I Ubered over here and I need a little something to pick me up. The problem is I don't really drink a lot of coffee and coffee makes me loca. I get cracked out on it because I don't drink it all the time, but here we are. I'm nervous. Izzy, I'm nervous. Izzy's my videographer and my good friend. I'm really nervous because literally injections hurt, but I'm hoping Christy numbs me. I'm also getting hives everywhere. I don't know what this is from. I get them every day. Priorities, fix the face. Okay, I'm here with the queen finally, the only lady that touches my face. This is Nurse Christy. So tell them a little bit about yourself. I've come to you before, we've done work together, we've done collabs together. Yes. Tell them a little bit about yourself.
Okay, so this is my 9th year in aesthetic medicine. I'm a nurse practitioner. I have two offices, one in New York City, one in Montclair, New Jersey. And I love aesthetics. I love art, I love faces, and I inject faces for a living. That's what I do.
I don't know, you analyze my face, okay. You let me know, my face is changing, a lot, yes. So I feel
every couple years, every 5 years, your face really goes through some changes.
Right now I'm seeing it. I have smile lines that are deeper. I have a little bit of indented under my eyes.
Tear trough.
And then obviously I have the wrinkles, but that's usually normal. And a little bit of the wrinkles here. So I don't know what to do.
Okay.
You tell me what I need. Okay. You tell me what's realistic, what's not, what I'm, All right,
okay, perfect.
Checking off my jewelry.
Okay, so we always start with photos. So we get good before and afters on every patient. All right, Natalie, and relax your face. Okay. Yep. I
drink coffee.
No smiling, it's very strict in here.
No.
Okay. Can you bite down? Can I see your bands? Oh, there you are. Yeah, those are good. Okay.
Okay.
I know. Look.
And then I have these little crows.
Okay, do that. Yep. Okay, and relax. Okay, and then I'm gonna have you raise your eyebrows again. Perfect, and relax. We're actually gonna do some Xeomin on you.
Yeah, whatever.
So, there's different brands of Botox. So Botox is a brand name, kind of like Kleenex, Band-Aid. They're all botulism toxins, but there's different brands. We're gonna use the brand Xeomin on you today.
Okay, so yeah, my forehead wrinkles, obviously. These little guys, the little crow's feet, because there's more of them now.
Oh my God.
Remember I started coming to you, it was 1? Now there's 5.
Yeah, they keep coming.
No, there's 10.
And go like this with your nose, cinch your nose like a bunny. See these?
Yeah.
So we're gonna work on those too. Your face is thin. It's thin. It's it's little. Everything on her is this thing.
I'm a little thing. I'm a little peapod.
Yeah, she's tiny. I probably would do a HA filler now because that we will see the results of that immediately.
Okay.
So I think today we should maybe do an HA filler and some Botox. And then I want you to come back and I want to work on Sculptra though. Because Sculptra is more of a long-term plan.
Okay.
Because I would want to do it 2 to 3 times on you. So you would do it once initially. You would come back 6 to 8 weeks later. We would do it a second time. And then depending on how you look, we would decide if we want to do it a third time. And it usually lasts like up to 2 years. And it builds up, it builds up collagen. It looks beautiful. I can show you some before and afters.
Yeah.
And you are a perfect.
I've never done under eye before.
You are a good
I've never done this or under eye.
She's a good candidate for under eye because you really want to have like a Halloween without a fat pad. You don't have any fat pads under your eyes, which is like your perfect candidate. So if you had fat protrusion under your eye, you would not be a good candidate for under eye filler.
Okay.
So we're just going to put a touch of filler under your eye because filler is a magnet for water. So you don't want to put a lot of filler under your eye. You want to put a little bit. You always want to under inject. Okay. Because over time, your body will bring water to that area.
Oh, nice.
So yeah, so you want to you don't want to correct it 100% because if you look good in the office, I corrected 100% today, I've overfilled you.
Great. Okay? I trust you. I mean, I blindly trust this woman. I don't know if that's crazy or not. I'm just kidding. I've been going to her forever. All right, now I'm getting numbed because I'm a big baby, number one, but they treat their patients here like VIPs. Everyone that comes here is a celebrity, basically. Yes. They treat you like a celebrity and they numb you like a celebrity.
I numb everybody.
Yeah.
And people are like, I've never gotten numbed for injections.
I just don't want to be in pain.
I hate pain, so we numb everybody.
When you look at your mom, do you see yourself like, this is what I'm going to look like? I'm going to be hot. When I'm older.
It gives me a lot of happiness.
Right?
Oh, that's so sweet.
Yeah. I feel like I'd look at myself and see myself for like the future. Inject me, baby. Let's go.
So I'm here.
This is the point where I start getting sweaty of nerves. But it's like she's so good. So like I just trust her blindly, but it's my fear of needles. My armpits are smelling because I'm so because I'm sweating.
Do you want to do Botox under your armpits?
I'm stinky.
Do you want to do that?
Oh my God, remember you did that to me once.
Do you want to do that today too?
Sure, why not? Okay. I'm scared.
Here, wait,
I'm so stinky and hairy.
Emma just got this done.
Clog your under your nose.
Oh yeah, there you go.
We got that on tape because I can't wait to watch that.
Okay, wait, Ellen. Okay. Wait. There you go. Woo! Oh, there you go. Oh my gosh, I got slippery little suckers. Okay, wait, I cannot grab this little thing. This is like a little. See, I'm just going at the base of her neck. I don't want to go all the way down the band because I still want her to swallow. Still want you to swallow.
You guys I was on the challenge and like doing badass stunts, but here I'm a baby.
Oh no, I'm a baby.
I can jump off helicopters, no problem. Needles? Blech. No! No, you're not. That's a big needle.
It's not a needle.
It's not a needle.
Wait, I'm not doing anything. I'm just measuring.
Where are you going?
I'm not doing anything right now.
Okay.
I'm just gonna measure. I'm
calm, okay? I'm calm. It went in and out?
Yep. Well, no, that was just the needle.
Oh. Okay, final step.
Last step, and Natalie's
Botox in the armpits.
Okay.
Is this Botox or Xeomin?
Xeomin.
Cool.
Okay, so Xeomin to decrease sweating. Okay, we're gonna do just these little bubbles under the arm.
Are you going in?
Now I am, yeah. Do you feel it?
No, I'm numb.
Good, little bubbles. See, I'm creating these little bubbles because you want it to really be in the surface because that's where the sebaceous glands are. That's where the sweat glands are.
I just love how gentle you are with my face and like, I get scared just because of my fear of needles, but I feel so safe and good, and like you really are very gentle with your injecting.
Thank you. Oh my God, look at how good she looks.
I can't wait to see it. The final result. Drum roll. Let's see.
Drum roll. Okay.
My big debut.
Okay. Here's your mirror.
Oh my God. I love this.
Love it?
No, I feel so good.
You feel so good.
And when the Botox kicks in, it's over for all you people out there.
Oh my God. Over for all those girls.
Wow.
Oh
Wow.
my God, it's so good, right?
This is so amazing. Like, this
so
is
good.
exactly what I needed.
Good. Yeah, you need just a little zhuzh.
I needed a little refresh, and this is the vibe.
Look at how pretty.
I feel like I got exactly what I wanted, exactly to a T what I wanted from you ladies. You listened to what I wanted, and I am just so proud that we've been working together for so many years, because I trust, like, I'm bringing my mom here. I trust telling people about you guys, because not everyone is as educated as you and talented and has experience. So I feel like so beautiful and refreshed. I feel so good.
She looks amazing. I mean, you don't need a thing, but she looks so gorgeous.
So make sure you follow Skin Splendid. What's your Instagram and your TikTok?
Instagram, Nurse Christy NYC, TikTok, Nurse Christy NYC, and Skin Splendid is my Instagram.
So I'm gonna link the TikTok on her account and my account in the caption, so check it out. They're the best mommy and daughter duo. And then make sure you also follow all my Instagram, Natalie Negrotti, and my TikTok at Natalie Negrotti. Like, subscribe, and follow all of us, and keep yourselves educated when you're injecting yourself. Make sure you just don't go to anyone. Your face, this is kind of like, it's not surgery, but it is, right? Like, it's like, what is it called?
It's kind of like surgery with the needle.
You can't just go to anyone to inject your face or your body. Like, you actually have to go to a trained professional. So make sure you do your homework and go to good people.